keep going. All right. So, low head is energized. Got fuel flow. Hey Caleb, what is this thing? What is it?
This is called a top banana.
What's a top banana?
This wing and these.
It's really hard to hold on to in the wind, isn't it? And this is a McCoy 35 right here to get it trimmed out. And a wound up hand grenade. I'm gonna hand it to my wife, hand the phone to my wife.
As long as I'm facing into the wind.
Here you go. I'll trade you. So this monster is a Top Banana 800 that we just literally, this is the first time I've assembled it. Still needs a few things adjusted. The DT action on the tail is not quite right, but everything else is about right. I don't have fuel line running to it, but we do have the pinch off for the fuel line set up, remote pinch off running in here. So I haven't weighted or anything. The CG is, oh yeah, it's nose heavy. I may be able to put a giant shim under the tail to give us a glide demo.
So we just grab a random weed.
We're gonna walk it down this way. That ain't half bad right there. Okay, so we've got this airplane balanced and configured now. So things that have happened since the video, I've gotten the fuel lines run. So this is a Texas Timers pinch off lever, I guess you'd call it. It has a little plunger that runs through here from an arm on this timer. And this is a Selig timer. These are what's on the other side of that plate are literally the guts out of a Russian hand grenade. This line goes back to my tail, so it's got a release lever. So the mousetrap mechanisms that you've seen me play with are literally, that's what's on here. So these come built in with that. We have a pressure bladder down here for our fuel, and you can see the check valve sticking out. And then Venturi coming in over here. This is just a McCoy 35, not a particularly hot engine. And then this propeller definitely makes things not particularly hot. You can see I've got lots of rubber bands to hold the wing on. One thing about this airplane, we'll show some video of this later in a separate video, but this is a rudder trim tab, and I've got a screw adjuster down here. And then the big thing is, this is the amount of lead required just to balance the airplane right at the front of the wing trailing edge stock. So there you go. So last time we flew this, it had a pretty substantial left turn bias, and I don't want that. I want a right turning airplane because I find the Top Banana goes better that way. But anyway, so I've got some right rudder dialed in, also adjusted the stab tilt a little. So with that and the CG, get the prop level, prop go level. Never mind. There we go. That's not half bad. Another here. Definitely. There we go. Oh yeah. Beautiful. That's what we're looking for. I think the incidence is set. We got a nice right turn. Nice. That went well. I missed the fence line, please. Nice.
Nice.
That flies good.
That flies good.
Maybe a little less rudder. Come on, DT, DT. Wow, that's impressive. Now, which tree is it going to decorate? Oh, this will be fun. I launched into a thermal, so my plane doesn't want to come down. Okay, so when you do this, first of all, have to check for damage there, but you have to make sure that you stop your grenade timer, because it keeps going. And then this is the hand crank to wind it back up. And we would wind it up some more than that. But anyway, quick damage inspection. There's a slight dent right there. I don't know if it even shows up right there. That's the only dent. We had to patch the tail in a couple places in underneath here as it tore out the limiter. If you notice, I don't use the line itself, the line slack. I don't use it as a limiter. I have a peg in here that's both alignment and DT limit. So anyway, that was a nice flight. Used up basically all the fuel, so that's interesting too. Alright, so maybe a little less right rudder yet. That got sketchy. Oh wow. That's what I'm talking about. Don't hit the fence line, please don't hit the fence line. Fence line. Oh, missed it. So there's the plane back there. I've got the tail removed. I did damage the stab platform on landing or something like that. But anyway, I think we've got the airplane where I can now let the time go longer on glide. However, I can't because we're literally flying on 10 acres here and already have pushed the limits of the field on basic flights. Admittedly, it's a little breezy here, but still. Airplane's going to go to Muncie in literally 1 week. So 1 week from now, it will be flying, hopefully, at Muncie. So we'll get some footage there. But anyway, the Top Banana 800 currently available on our website as a kit. Pretty awesome airplane. I knew it would be. We made some structural adjustments that are legal for competition just to make it handle better at this size. But I'm very pleased with it. It's a very good flying airplane. We have almost all of the products you need to fly it on our website, save for engine mount, engine, a little bit of the fuel lines, and of course the fuel pinch off. But we do have timers for that airplane on our website that are quite nice. So anyway, there's kind of where we're going to leave off with it, and we will come back to it with a ton more power at some point. But first, we're going to just take it to Muncie, and we're going to put out some beautiful flights because, you know, because we can. So there you go. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.